Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up toggle and repeating macros on Logitech G316 keyboard. So once we have our keyboard connected to the PC, let's launch the G Hub application on our computer and let's go to our keyboard settings. Now I would like to go to the macros menu before we go to the assignment menu. To open the macros menu, we have to open our profiles, manage profiles, then select your profile right here, and here you'll find your macros. Now let's add a new macro. Now I want to create two macros. Both will be reloading the page, the browser page, so it will be reload then toggle. Okay, so let's start with the toggle. So let's select toggle. The toggle works in a way that when we first press the key, the shortcut starts running, and when we second press the assigned key, the shortcut stops. So yeah, I explained it in the hardest way possible, but it's pretty simple. Click start now, record keystrokes, and so basically we just want to press F5 since this is the key to reload the page. Let's save this recording so we have reload toggle, and now let's add the same kind of toggle, the same kind of macro, hold. Or I had to name it repeat, but okay. So let's go with repeat while holding. Start now, record keystrokes, press F5, and stop. So in this case, our shortcuts will be working until we stop pressing the assigned key. Okay, now let's go to the key assignment. To assign the key, we're gonna have to go to devices, select our keyboard, go to assignments right here, and now let's assign some keys. I think these two. So this one right here, let's remap it. Let's set an assignment to macros toggle. Okay, and this one will be macros hold. Okay, so now let's open a web browser. Okay, and having our web tab opened, let's first start with the toggle shortcut, which would be this key. And as you can see, the flash keeps reloading until we press this key once again, and then it stops. Now let's try using this one, which would be the hold macro. Hold it down. Okay, okay. We have to somehow not trigger any field. It's gonna be tricky. Let's reassign. Let's reassign it to shift, right shift. Maybe shift is also not a good option. I'm not sure. Then let's right control. Okay, I'm pretty sure right control won't trigger anything. Okay, we have our tab once again right here. And now if we hold this button, the page will keep reloading until we stop holding it. And that's the main principle of these two macros. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.